Hello there, I'm Frosty the Snowman, and this is my associate, Frieza. And together we would like to invite you to another episode of Name That Sound. We'll play a sound for you, and you'll have 5 seconds to identify the source of the sound. Ready? Let's play. Is that sound A, Richard's wife eating cereal in the morning? Or is it B, Richard walking through the icy snow of his front yard? If you guessed B, friend, you're correct. It's Richard walking through the snowy ice of his front yard. Well, that concludes another episode of Name That Sound. Thank you for playing. Stay warm now.